In healthcare, new technologies and approaches hold immense potential to revolutionize patient care. They promise to enhance diagnostic accuracy, streamline treatments, and boost patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, for instance, are driving personalized medicine by analyzing vast datasets to recommend tailored treatments based on an individual's unique health profile. Early diagnosis of diseases, particularly through advanced imaging techniques, has also seen notable improvements, especially in areas like oncology. Wearable technologies and remote monitoring tools are empowering patients to take an active role in managing chronic diseases. Continuous monitoring enables early detection of complications, enhancing long-term health outcomes. Similarly, genetic sequencing and bioinformatics are pushing personalized medicine further by optimizing treatment plans based on the patient's genetic makeup, while also helping predict disease risk. Blockchain technology is making strides in ensuring data security, offering a robust framework for protecting patient privacy and securing healthcare data. Digital health assistants and AI-powered chatbots are also making healthcare more accessible, guiding patients in medication management and providing health advice. Additionally, 3D printing technology is enabling the production of customized medical devices and implants, improving precision and patient comfort. These innovations, while promising, require strict adherence to ethical guidelines and privacy laws. Continuous learning and adaptation by healthcare professionals and patients are also essential for the successful integration of these technologies. This overview is taken from Chapter 2 of the book titled Machine Learning for Healthcare by Rasit Dinc. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe for more insightful content on the future of healthcare.